original bore of the rifle as I got it from Royal Tiger Imports. And just for comparison, I'm going to do the little bullet test with two different kinds of ammunition that I have on hand. As you can see, it goes completely into the muzzle there. It still has some slop. So yeah, this bore is gone. Well, I'm pleased to report that the replacement barrel from SARCO came in. And I did cheat a little bit because this thing was just entirely covered with cosmoline, so I had to do a quick hot water bath and wipe down to get all this stuff off. I believe that this is a Indian made barrel, but I mean, this thing looks brand new. There's like no wear on it. And I'll show you the bore pretty soon, but it is in pristine condition, so I'm really happy with it. Just gonna spin the barrel around to get all the markings. Yeah, there's no date or serial number on this. Package came in the mail today, so this should be my new rebuilt, or I should say rebarreled barrel receiver from Brian Dick. So it looks like this is the original barrel. Got the old sight, the front and rear sight removed. I guess this is just going to go into storage because I mean it's nothing. It's like a shotgun bore. Looks like I've got I think these are the old parts that were taken off, or maybe these are the new ones that I need. We'll see. Yep, so here we go. We got the barreled action. Got the new barrel on there. Sight was transferred over, and I got a new front sight put on this guy. But yeah, this thing looks sweet. Brian Dick of BDL Ltd. He's the guy that did the barrel swap work for me, so I just wanted to give a shout out there. Did want to point out that he did provide the parts that he did remove just for reference. So the rear sight pin had to be drilled out, and you can see it here, it's machined out. Same with this washer as well. They kind of went on the end of this pin. These were just like welded together, and he just had to drill it out. And this front sight apparently was quite worn, so he went ahead and replaced it with a new one. Alright, so in doing the math for what I did for this rifle, Got it from Royal Tiger Imports for $4.99. Had to buy a replacement barrel from SARCO for $125. Rebarreling and site work was $110 with $35 shipping both ways. So in total, this World War I relic SMLE No. 1 Mark III star came out to a total of $804. Yeah, what a great deal.